Do you want to change or add YouTube profile picture from your mobile phone? Then let's get started. First we have like I'm using right now my iPhone mobile phone, and there is our YouTube application where you can see that. But remember that we have opened like YouTube itself live. Here you can see that. Okay, we have not opened our like YT Studio. I know that it is for like YouTube creator, but for that one we are going to use YouTube application itself. Now let's open that application, and on the top you can see here we have a small picture which you are going to click, and you will see different option. But here you are going to click on the manage your Google account. Okay, and when you are going to click on manage your Google account, you will see that myaccount.google.com will appear here, and here you can see the picture which is already I have uploaded. But if you cannot see any picture, don't worry, just tap on that and you will see one more option. Here you have like select a photo from your computer, but don't worry, since you are using mobile phone it will just open from your mobile phone. And here we have three options like take photo or video or photo library. Okay, I will select photo library, and here we have different images. I'm going to select that image, and now I'm going to add one of that image here. And now you can see that here we have like that small box where you are going to adjust the size of that image, and then you are going to tap on set a profile photo. And once you are going to click on that one, you will see now it has changed. Welcome earn to click is my YouTube channel name, but you are going to see that we don't find out that it is not changed yet. But don't worry, a few moments or within few hours or 1 hour it will change again. And once you are going to click here, it will change. Once you are going to just reopen your like YouTube channel, and let me just close that one once, and once again we are going to open and see if it is changed. If not changed, then you will wait for a few minutes or hours, then it will automatically change. Okay, now you can see that we have already see that now it is changed. Okay, now I can see the changed of my iPhone profile, my YouTube profile picture. If you are a studio creator or if you are normal person, doesn't matter. Okay, you can just change it from here, and all the setting will be here. I hope you got the idea that how you are going to change your YouTube profile picture using your iPhone or Android devices. If you have any problem, just write that in comment box below, and if you have not subscribed, just subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon for more amazing videos. Thank you so much. Goodbye.